My client wanted something special for her mobile money shop, so I designed a custom counter to fit her needs. I used laminated cherry board for this project, and the first step was cutting all the pieces to size. Then I assembled the main structure using 3/4 screws and metal brackets for a strong connection on the side panels, followed by the front and the back. To build the drawer box, I first placed in the drawer slides and the side pieces, then measured the remaining gap to get a perfect fit. For the top cabinet, I started by building the face frame using miter joints. Right after that, I cut out the center section of the top and the side panels, leaving a frame for the acrylic glass. Then, I shaped the edges and the decorative moldings with an S-roller bead before sanding everything smooth, ready for paint. After that, I attached the bottom moldings and the rollers, but the hardest part was still ahead, installing the drawer slides. Precision is required, or else the drawer simply won't close. And then, mounting the doors to the cabinet. After that, I moved on to assembling the top cabinet. Next came the branding. I applied a white base coat, then masked off the Airtel layering so it would remain white before spraying another coat to prevent paint seepage. I repeated the same process for the MTN layering, painting the letters a dark color, masking them, and applying another coat to keep the edges clean and sharp. With the lettering protected, I painted the Airtel side red and the MTN side yellow. Crafting rails for the sliding doors was a real challenge, but getting the alignment just right makes the whole process incredibly smooth and satisfying. Then I cut the acrylic sheet to size and installed them on the top cabinet, side panels, and as well as for sliding doors. Next, I attached LED lighting to the back of the brand post and mounted it to the front bottom panel of the counter. At this point, the counter is almost complete. It's really starting to come together. To finish the project, I secured the top cabinet to the bottom cabinet with screws. And just like that, our custom mobile money counter is fully complete and ready for business. And if you enjoyed this build and want to see more custom woodworking projects, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.